These jobs will survive AI by 2030 and new careers nobody sees coming. Everywhere you look today, people are saying the same thing. AI will replace programmers, AI will replace designers, AI will replace white collar jobs. And honestly, some of that is true. A lot of jobs will change dramatically over the next 5 years. But here's what most people are getting wrong. AI is not replacing work equally. Some careers are becoming weaker. Some careers are becoming massively more valuable because of AI. And some completely new jobs will exist by 2030 that most people are not even thinking about today. So in this video, I want to break down the jobs least likely to disappear, the careers that will grow because of AI, and the future roles that may dominate the next decade. And trust me, some of these are going to be surprise you. The biggest misunderstanding about AI is that the people think AI replaces entire jobs. Most of the time, AI replaces tasks, not complete profession. For example, software engineering. People think software engineering is only coding. It is not. The real engineer also understand the business problem, communicate with the teams, make architectural decisions, handle production issues, manage trade-offs, and take responsibility when things fail. So AI can help generate code, but accountability, ownership, decision making under pressure, that is still very human. Same thing with doctors. AI might become extremely good at diagnosis, but if a surgery goes wrong, who is legally responsible? The AI? No, doctor. And that is why future is probably not AI versus humans. The future is humans using AI versus humans not using AI. Now let's talk about the careers that are likely to survive and grow. The first category, high trust role. So these are the jobs where people need emotional confidence before making a decision. For example, enterprise sales, senior consulting, wealth management, therapies, high level legal work, executive leadership. Because humans buy trust. And if a company is spending 50 million euros on cybersecurity, they do not want only an AI chatbot. They want someone accountable, someone experienced, someone they can call at 2 a.m. when things go wrong. The more expensive the decision, the more human trust matters. And I think this becomes even more important in an AI driven world. The second category is human coordination roles. Now, this is massively underestimated. So, for example, project managers, program managers, product leaders, transformation heads, scrum masters, people who coordinating the large organization because companies are messy, very messy. And AI can generate plans, AI can summarize meetings, AI can automate reports, but getting 12 teams, 12 departments, 3 vendors, legal teams, finance team, engineering teams, and leadership to align on one decision. That is a human challenge, not a technical challenge. And honestly, as AI increases complexity inside the organization, people who can coordinate humans and AI system together may become even more valuable. The third category is skilled trades. So this is where many tech people are completely disconnected from reality. So for example, electricians or HVAC specialists or robotics maintenance experts, industrial automation technician or solar infrastructure specialist, because AI is digital, but the world is physical. And repairing an electrical system in a real building, handling unpredictable environments, working with physical infrastructure is much harder to automate than people think. And ironically, the more AI and the robots grow, the more infrastructure we need to maintain. So these careers may become stronger over the period of time. Now let's talk about the one of the biggest future opportunities, which is AI governance and AI auditing. Right now, companies are rushing to implement AI everywhere, but governments around the world are slowly starting to regulate it. And very soon, companies will need people who can answer questions like, okay, is this AI biased? Is the customer data protected? Can this AI decision be explained? Is this model hallucinating? Who is legally responsible? That creates entirely new careers. For example, AI auditors, AI compliance specialist, AI risk manager, AI governance consultant. And honestly, This industry could explode the same way cybersecurity exploded after the internet. Now here's where things get really interesting. So let's talk about the future jobs that most people are not even thinking about yet. The first one is AI personality designer. Now it sounds strange today, but probably it will be normal by 2030. Now think about it, companies will not just have AI assistants, they will want AI assistant with personality, with tone, with cultural understanding, with emotional intelligence, with brand identity. And someone will need to design how AI speaks, how it reacts, how it teaches, how it negotiates, and how it supports the customers. That is part of psychology. It's a part branding, it's a part UI design, it's a part behavioral science. And this could become a massive industry. Another feature role is human AI workflow architects. Now, today companies are asking, how do we use AI? But by 2030, the real question becomes, how do humans and AI work together efficiently? And that changes everything. These people will redesign the business around AI collaboration. They will decide which task AI handle, which task human approve, and where the automation stops, where human intervene. This could become one of the highest paying corporate jobs of the next decade. Another used one is a synthetic data engineer. Now, AI companies are already running into problem. They are running out of high quality human created data. So, future AI systems may increasingly train on synthetic data. So, something which is artificially generated simulations. That means the companies will need people who can create virtual environments, who can simulate customer behavior, who can come up with the training scenarios in a digital testing worlds. And especially in healthcare, in a autonomous vehicle, in a finance, in a robotics and defense. So now here is one most people have never considered. This role is AI reputation manager. Now imagine a world in 2030 where fake videos, cloned voices, and AI generated misinformation become normal. And suddenly every company, politician, celebrity, executive need protection. Now that create entirely new industry around identity verification, deepfake detection, digital trust, and reputation authentication. Your digital identity. Your digital identity may become just as important as your real identity. Now let me be very realistic here. AI may not fully replace most jobs, but it can reduce the number of people needed. And this is a part many influencers avoid talking about. One AI powered engineer may do the work of three junior engineers, or one AI powered marketer may replace an entire small content team. That is a real possibility. So the safest strategy is not find an AI proof job, because honestly there may be no such things. The real strategy is become difficult to replace. And the people who become difficult to replace usually combine technical skills, communication, decision making, business understanding, creative leadership, and adaptability. So if I was starting my career today, I would focus on three things. First, learn how AI actually works, not just prompting, understand the workflow, automation, the data, the business application. And second, build human skills, communication, leadership, negotiation, trust, storytelling, because those skills become more valuable in an AI world. And the third thing is position yourself where humans and AI intersect. That is where the biggest opportunities will exist by 2030. The winner will not be people competing against AI. The winner will be the people who know how to use AI better than everyone else. Friends, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel, because we are going to talk a lot more about AI, the careers, the technology, and how to stay ahead in the next decade. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.